In December 1999, while the world was going crazy with Y2K, Disney celebrated the 35th anniversary of Mary Poppins with an array of high-quality collectibles, including the coveted St. Paul's Cathedral replica and a limited edition porcelain doll, to name a few. As a 9-year-old browsing the web, the replica parrot handle umbrella being advertised since 1996 caught my eye especially though, further fueling dreams of reaching into the TV screen and grabbing Mary Poppins's umbrella. For years, I saw it appear on screen on the interwebs on eBay, when it evidently, after it first came out in 1998, 2 more replicas were reproduced by Disney in 2004, and then 2006. I have a video on my channel unboxing the 2006 articulated beak version in 2013. I was satisfied, but was still missing the experience a piece of the movie. It wasn't a screen-accurate replica cast from the mold of the parrot recovered in 1987, though. Until 2024, when my friend gifted me the 1999 replica I wanted so much, complete with Peter Ellenshaw's London skyline lining. Today, we get to witness my childhood dream. After 25 years,
whatever. Copyrighted music. Plant. Whatever. Wait. Okay. Part of the spine. Okay. Part of the. Oh, okay. Let's get the woods. Get the woods. Okay. Oh, it's all bubble wrapped. Okay. My food is bubble wrapped. Okay. I'll see this. Oh my god. Oh, upside down. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, no way. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Honestly, I thought it would be like, it was heavy. Oh, look at her. Wow. It is so much. Oh my gosh. Ah! You're kidding me. Oh my gosh. Wow. 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 Pictures don't do it justice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 My gosh. Oh. Oh, really bent though. Ooh. That's why it was so. Anyway. Oh. Okay. And it has the London inside. Wow. Oh. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, pictures didn't do it justice. It's really not. Holy crap. Ooh. One cast from the original. Ooh. From 1999. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my